Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. So Ankita has given tribute to Sushant, okay? Thank you so much for letting me know in the comment section. Instinctively at the middle of the night I feel drawn. I want to know what Sushant feels about this beautiful tribute by his lady love, his angel who always was there to protect her. I think there is something that will come out because this is not something that I was going off to sleep and I just felt to do this. Very quick one, but let's see if there is something that really wants to come out. I'm going to be using this deck. You know that one of the deck that Sushant whenever Sushant thinks about Ankita, that card from this deck always shows up. Let's see if it shows up at this point in time or what other cards show. And the other deck that I'm going to use is this, some love messages. If there has to come, then it might come from here. So let's see. Oh my god. Do you see the picture? Do you see the image? View from the above. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, this doesn't even need an explanation, guys. This doesn't even need an explanation. I mean, Sushant has seen it all from above. View from the above. I mean, how more spot on can a reading be? Oh god, this is amazing. View from the above. He has seen every bit of it. He has seen every bit of it. No doubt I wanted to sleep and I felt like doing this. You have a great adventure, you have grace and gratitude. Wow. Sushant felt that it was very graceful, it was very, and he is thankful. See, Sushant felt that her dance, her tribute was very graceful and he has only gratitude for that. Beautiful, beautiful. I think he has totally enjoyed this. He has totally enjoyed this. Wise leader, you are a beacon for others. Here he is saying that, ये वो वाला energy है जब Ankita, Ankita giving tribute in a very beautiful, graceful dance to Sushant is how Sushant sees her is after, of course, seeing it from, having a view from the above and feeling the grace in her moves and dance and the intention with which she has done all these things and feeling overjoyed with gratitude. What he is seeing, he is again coming back to being the substance that he has always been. He is seeing the deeper thing in her. याद रखिए कि सुशांत अंकिता को हमेशा चाहते थे कि that she shines in her power. She becomes, she is career oriented. She becomes career oriented, and he was always like, you should be. अगर तुम्हारे में टैलेंट है तो तुम रीच आउट फॉर योर फुल पोटेंशियल. यू डोंट हैव टू सिट एट होम एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, जो कि वो करने लगी थी, जिसके कारण वो काफ़ी रिलेट नहीं कर पाते थे उनसे. लेकिन आज उनको देख के लग रहा है कि शी हैज स्टेप्ड इनटू हर पावर विद अ फायर इन हर हैंड एंड शी इज द लीडिंग लेडी. शी इज नो मोर दैट द गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर. शी स्टेप्ड इनटू हर पावर एंड शी and he sees her as a beacon of light for others. She is seeing her as somebody who has stepped in her power, and she is leading the, battle, or leading her life. She's no more, following others. And this is how Sushant is seeing her from above. This is how Sushant's seeing her from above, somebody who is shining in her light. Beautiful. Let's see if any other cards wants to come out, because I think, okay. Joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. Absolutely. Joy is coming out very loudly, guys. Joy ka card काफी आ रहा है. So it's like, through gratitude, joy expands. And ऐसा है कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि watching her dance was very joyful experience for him. It was something very nice that he has seen maybe in a long time, and it is like open your heart to joy. वो अंकिता को भी बोल रहे हैं ना कि yes, you start living your life. Open your heart to joy. Open your heart to just open your heart, okay? अपने heart को ऐसा छोटा सा बना के मत रखो, on this note, I also remember one song. It's like it's a beautiful song where the heart of that lady keeps on becoming big, and she says that I have a big heart, and people are like, oh God, you got this big heart, and she carries her big heart with her. This is a very beautiful song. I will put the link of this song in the comment section. I just instantly thought of that song. So यहाँ पे ये क्या बोल रहे हैं ना, open your heart. जो मेरे जाने के बाद तुम्हारा heart एक छोटा सा हो गया है. What happens when we are feeling very sad, and we are feeling very depressed, and we are losing faith in the world and universe. Our heart shrinks and becomes so small. आप उस गाने में देखना कि how this ladies, when people start ignoring her heart kind of shrinks and becomes so little. And when people start appreciating her heart becomes big, and it becomes so big that it doesn't even get into a taxi and that kind of a thing. It's a beautiful song. And this is what Sushant is telling, that don't stifle yourself, don't put a tab on your feelings. जैसे कि बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि अंकिता को अपने mourn करना चाहिए और उसको दुखी रहना चाहिए. तो ऐसा नहीं सुशांत बोल रहे. That Sushant was very progressive. He was a kind of a person who believed in living your life, and he was very progressive in every way. वो इस तरह की बातें नहीं मानते हैं कि तुम बैठ के mourn करो and all. Mourn तो होता ही है. You cannot stop from feeling about a person who you feel so much, but that doesn't mean that you have to show to the world, because grieving is intense, and you don't have to show it. And even when you are laughing, you're all the time feeling it in your heart. Your heart is paining in grief. तो वो यही बोल रहे हैं कि open your heart to joy. Just do what feels good to you, because when you are happy, I am happy. I can feel the gratitude and expand my joy. So when you open your heart and you enjoy life and you live the life to the fullest, I can find joy and gratitude. I see you, I feel thankful to you that you are living in peace, and you are not mourning me and hurting me more, but you are moving on with the life, remembering me all the time, and that makes my heart filled with gratitude and so much of love and joy expanding in my life. So basically he's telling me that if you have joy, my joy expands. Wow, this is beautiful. Voyage of the heart hai. Love flows through you and to you. Love flows through you and to you. So I think this is how he is seeing Ankita. Wow, this is beautiful. He is appreciating her from above, that the kind of person that she has transformed herself into, the way she is being so daring, and the way she is being so herself, not getting scared of being judged by people. And that is what he is liking about her. See this lady, she is not coy lady. She is the strong woman who is standing in her power, like a leader with this flame in her hand. And that is what he is liking about her. Let's see one message from here, and let's see. if there is any guidance that is coming your way. You were born with that it quality. Wow. Do you want to know what really is beautiful? What's really beautiful? Confidence. Do you want to know what really is powerful? Persistence. Do you want to know what really is sexy? Please, I know about sexy. Not needing to be needed. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, I'm so sorry for my, this extra emotions, guys, because at times I do get carried away. For me, this divine, this tarot is divine. And every time I pick a card, whether I'm on camera or not camera, I just kind of get, awestruck by the magic, sheer magic of cards. And this relates to something past. But wow, this is beautiful. यहाँ पे बहुत ही अमेजिंगली कनेक्ट हो रहा है. मैं क्या बताऊँ, यहाँ पे देखिए, I'm feeling so overwhelmed to explain. Sorry. एक पीछे में लेके जाती हूँ आपको. आप याद करो वहाँ पे उस टाइम में जब अंकिता ये बात उन्होंने ये डिसीजन लिया था अपने लाइफ में कि वो सारा अपना काम छोड़ देंगी और वो घर पे रहेंगी and she doesn't want to work anymore. You remember that was the time when they got separated after some time, because that is not what he ever wanted from Ankita. He always wanted Ankita that she is talented and she should pursue her career. He was a very progressive person. लेकिन यहाँ पे अंकिता क्या थी, she became so possessive about him, she became so scared of losing him that वो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं काम छोड़ के, I mean, she said that she will stay at home. Basically she was clinging on to him. Okay, and that was first of all, that was getting suffocating for Sushant or not, that is something else, but this is not what he had seen her as. समझ में आ रहा है? He never wanted Ankita to sit at home because that is not the girl he had loved. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, जब इनको देख रहे हैं ऊपर से, उन्होंने हर चीज देखा है, उसका grace देखा है, उसका poise देखा है, उनका heart is filled with gratitude and joy, and he is seeing her as one finally in her own avatar. That is a beautiful avatar. And the most important thing मैं ये बता दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे कि वो उनको ये बात अच्छी लग रही है ना कि she is not trying to prove her grief to anybody. She is being herself, and that is what leaders are all about, being yourself even if people don't trust you, because leaders believe in their own vision. और यहीं पे वो ये बोल रहे हैं ना, the way she is being strong and she's not scared of being herself, क्योंकि वो सोच रही है कि even if her heart is grieving, she doesn't have to prove this. She just doesn't have to mourn and wear that black dress to mourn. वो अंदर में तो उसका heart grieve कर ही रहा है, but why she should prove it to the world, and that is what he is liking it, that how she has become so strong in who she is, because to do what you believe in, even if people will judge you, is a very strong thing. It means that you have gained confidence. Okay, ये सारी चीज एक्सप्लेन की मैंने. अब यहाँ पे कार्ड में देखिए सेम चीज बोला गया है जो आपको पहले भी बताया था मैंने. Do you want to know what is really beautiful? Confidence. ये वाला कार्ड जो आपको मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, confidence. After all the grace and the poise and the gratitude, dance देख लिया, तो what is he appreciating? He is appreciating her confidence, जिसमें वो हमेशा उनको देखना चाहते थे. Do you know what is really beautiful? Confidence. Do you know what is really powerful? Persistence. The way you are trying every bit to be yourself, to maybe, go on with life, to maybe take that step even if it is difficult. तो उनकी persistence जो है उसको admire कर रहे हैं. Do you want to know what is sexy? Okay, really sexy. सबसे sexy पता क्या है? वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? Not needing to be needed. Exactly. ये वाला उनके पास रिलेशनशिप पे आता है, जब वहां पे वो एक समय में काफी वनरेबल हो गई थी, वो काफी एक को डिपेंडेंस हो गया था उनका सुशांत पे, एंड ही वाज लाइक, ही फेल्ट दैट वो उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि हाउ दिस गर्ल हु शुड बी स्ट्रांग, हु इज सो टैलेंटेड, हु इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, व्हाई शुड शी फील सो इनसिक्योर अबाउट मी. तो वो वाली चीज से कनेक्ट हो रहा है कि कैसे तुम अपने पावर में आ गई हो, एंड यू डोंट नीड एनीबॉडी नाउ. यू योरसेल्फ, यू आर द लीडिंग लेडी, you are your own hero. You don't need me, you don't need anybody. You are shining in your power, and that is what he is appreciating in her, because उनका रिश्ते में जो दरार पड़ा था इसी चीज से पड़ा था, क्योंकि वो बहुत इनसिक्योर हो गई थी और सब लोगों को लगा कि वो ही इज गेटिंग कैरिड अवे, जो कि अलग एक चीज है. carried हो गए थे या busy हो गए थे या क्या हो गए थे. We have already talked a lot about these things, but this one thing where Ankita was feeling very insecure about him was something definitely that he didn't you know wanted or expected from Ankita. But now that she is shining and dancing in her power, he is seeing this from above, and he is smiling at her confidence, at her persistence, the leader that she has become, and most importantly, what he finds the most sexy thing in her is that she is her own hero और उसको किसी चीज का जरूरत नहीं है. She is strong in her own way, not needing to be needed. She doesn't need anybody. She is powerful. So that is a quick guidance, guys. Do let me know, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye for now.